Hello guys, it's Bastion45 and I'm
Maria
recording
Teresa.
another parkour map. Come on, do your
Hey,
intro.
forgot about me.
Do your intro.
My intro. Generic, awesome intro. Here it is. Done.
Okay. Okay, come on, read the rules and the map itself. I am gonna...
Rules. Win. Let's do this.
No, shut up, shut up. Welcome to Mega Parkour World. Rules. Rules win. To complete Mega Parkour World, you have to be MLG at parkour. Hint,
Challenge
jump on the blocks. You don't say. And jump
Thank
on the
you,
blocks,
Captain
they
Abby.
said. Jump on the blocks, they said. Oh, come on.
It's gonna be fun days. Okay, I'm doing this and I'm getting so much lag.
Well, you're
I
actually...
can't do this. I can't do this. I'm getting so much lag.
Well, don't record.
Fuck this. I must record this.
Okay, they don't said. Are you doing this? You're doing this. Oh, come on. What's this? That's fucking easy. Oh, shit, I fell. Yeah, easy, it's...
Easy Uranus.
Yeah, my anus is easy. Fuck. Yeah,
Fuck.
MLG, it's easy, but... Fuck.
It's easy.
Oh
suck
my god.
fun.
Ah. Oh, come on. Do it! I'm not gonna make it.
Don't
I'm
say.
gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it.
I'm not gonna make it.
I didn't make it. I didn't make it. I didn't make it too. Oh my god, I absolutely suck. And my mic. Ah, here it is. The mic is gonna... Oh no.
Let me just tinker my settings. Max first person FPS. Tiny render distance. Clouds off.